Hi, I'm Dan, the Aqua-View tech, and today I'm going to show you how to change the base on your Plus and Plus DVR unit. So you have your 4 rubber plugs. I'm going to go ahead and remove them. And that exposes 4 screws. So we're going to remove those 4 screws. Like so. So you have those 4 screws, and then you have the 1 screw at the hinge up here. Okay. We're going to open the unit up, kind of make sure that the yellow face plate stays on. Or lift up, pull up from the left side, and that pops your face plate off. Okay, you have your LCD screen. It's just held on by these little legs. Lift up on that. Then you have another 4 screws. Remove those. Pop up the left side a little bit. Got your one more. This screw down here holds your camera port on there, and that's held on by those 3 thin wires, so gotta kind of be careful of that.
Probably.
It sits on a couple pins. If you just kind of lift up a bit to just get it free, and then up on the left side, and it'll slide right out. So then that's out. This holds down your battery. So we're going to remove these 2 screws. That'll lift up. Slide the battery right out. And there's that. It's all out. So you're going to remove these 2 screws, which will take that plastic piece out. And then here is where your camera plugs into. That little rubber plug comes right out. Then your hinge here, if your hinge is broken, you're replacing this base, what you're going to want to do is any excess plastic that is left on that screw, you're going to make sure that you remove that. Then to put it all back together, you screw your hinge into the new base. You'll screw down the 2 screws for your battery holder. Slide your battery in. Pop your little rubber plug back in. Tighten these screws down. We're going to put the main board back in. You have a little USB plug here that fits in there, so you're going to want to kind of slide that in. This over a little bit, push that down, kind of fit this back in so it sits on the little things there, and then add all our screws back in. gonna put our LCD screen back on. Make sure that all those legs go in the little slots. So we'll sit down like so. Get this off. Make sure that there's nothing inside. Fit your cover back on. Put your face shield back on. Close it down. We're gonna add all our screws back in and put our rubber plugs back in, and you're all set.